The best Magento hosting providers. 26 plus best Magento 2 hosting sites for top performance 2023. The most important things of any successful web whenever starting a Magento 2 store is choosing a reliable Magento 2 hosting. Magento 2 hosting products ensure a stable and smooth performance platform. Moreover, the e-commerce platform just keeps moving fast these days. One system cannot cover all the jobs every time. As a result of your web store has only one Magento 2 hosting running by itself, you cannot ensure your online e-commercial data is kept in a reliable and accessible fashion, so multiple domain hosting can save your time. In case you need a Magento expert team to cover your domain hosting job, don't miss our Magento web development service to accelerate your business growth. Then there are always risks from hackers on the internet who are stacking to attack your Magento web hosting server. It is by far the most important thing to consider. Magento 2 e-commerce website needs Magento hosting providers to strengthen the performance of a Magento store. You can count on the most updated Magento hosting providers and helpful Magento hosting free. The Roundup article by BSS e-commerce will introduce the top Magento 2 hosting vendors in 2020, range from free mid-range to the high-end price point. Finding hosting for your B2B website, then you can't skip Magento 2 B2B extension package to empower your online business. Let's explore and gain the best hosting solution for your beloved website. Table of content. Must try paid Magento 2 hosting service. Cloudways minimum $10 per month. Nexus from 19.95 per dollar per month. Such as long as you can see the all requirements for your web hosting. Must try paid Magento 2 hosting service. You may be thinking of using this non-change charge service to save money. On the other hand, please note that you get what you pay for. Literally free and optimal results rarely go together. If you are serious about your online business growth, selecting a paid Magento web hosting is crucial to avoid unfortunate unreliabilities. The following is a list of the best Magento hosting providers ordered by price, range from low to high. You can consider your financial status to choose accordingly. Cloudways mini minimum $10 per month. Cloudways is always the first choice to be considered when you try your best to find the best Magento hosting provider that fits your upcoming online stores. Located in Malta, Cloudways focuses on functioning as an integration point for numerous cloud services. Unlike other services, Cloudways give you 5 hosting plans to choose from. Their 5 world-class cloud providers: DigitalOcean, Linode, Volter, Amazon Web Service (AWS), and Google Computer Engine (GCE). You can also choose whether to employ their services on a monthly or hourly basis. The cheapest option is from DigitalOcean Data Center with only around $10 per month, while the most expensive one comes from AWS Data Center with the cost of around $274 per month. The main reason for the large pricing gap is not only about the space of the server but also a supporting option that can with them.